Ever wondered how to make a fresh and healthy balsamic bruschetta at home? Well, this delightful Italian appetizer is a cinch to prepare, using vibrant ingredients like tomatoes, garlic, and olive oil. So, are you ready to whip up this tasty treat? First things first, gather all your fresh ingredients. We're talking ripe tomatoes, aromatic garlic cloves, a bottle of fine olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a handful of fresh basil, and of course a crusty loaf of Italian bread. Now that we have our ingredients, we move on to the preparation. Now let's dive into the heart of the recipe. First, take your ripe tomatoes and dice them into bite-sized pieces. As you do this, let the aroma of fresh tomatoes fill your senses. Next, take your garlic cloves and mince them finely. Remember, the more you mince, the more flavor you release. Then combine these two ingredients in a bowl. Pour in a generous amount of olive oil, a splash of balsamic vinegar, and add in your freshly chopped basil. Toss them together until they're well combined. Lastly, take your favorite bread, slice it into thick pieces, and toast it until it's golden brown and crispy. And just like that, you've got your bruschetta base ready. We're at the final stage now, which is all about assembling and serving. Start off by spooning your fresh tomato mixture generously onto each toasted bread slice. Don't be shy, pile it high. Now, for the final touch, drizzle a bit more of that golden olive oil over the top. It adds a glossy finish and an extra layer of rich flavor. And voila! There you have it, a fresh and healthy balsamic bruschetta, ready to impress your guests or treat yourself. So, that wraps up our quick and easy balsamic bruschetta recipe. We gathered fresh ingredients, prepared the bruschetta, and assembled it all together. Simple, right? And the flavors? Absolutely unbeatable. Goodbye for now, and remember, nothing beats a fresh homemade balsamic bruschetta.